Somebody that loves to give. Ladies and gentlemen, you may want to call her the star girl. You may want to call her a spice. Yeah. Or is okwagala omuyita ka spice. Or is okwagala omuyita spice Dana. Yeah. Basebo ne banyabo.
Tusanyisa okulaba ku mukolo. Sheebah tusanyisa okulaba ku mukolo.
Kale. Nange nsanyisa obbasanga.
Kale oli smart. Come on.
What?
Basebo ne banyabo katwaniriza omukyala yatulese wano omuyita spice. Spice!
Hey!
Spice! Spice! Ladies and gentlemen, Spice! Team Spice in the area! Jamie! Team Juliana! Team Kindi Saha!
Muleka afune ku bifaananyi.
Let's put our hands together for Spicy!
Banaye basolo figaro zitsoka.
Of course. Why not? Hey, nedda bambi. Camera. Deko mwami. Jajuhulira wano. Kajo yagiteke. Thank you. Hola. Kale sevu namwe mwebale kujja. Mwebale kusiima. Kuba buli outfit mu style yonna era bw'onoonyerezaako gyaziraba nti ne zino nazikubako dda. Shamtara. Bamwita omukyala Shamtara yanyambaza. Yeah. Spice ali mu kukola EP eya album. Nazze wane supporting yankubidde nangamba come support me. Nengamba why not? Let me go support the girl. Because I mean fena twetaaga support yemu from each other. With all the support that we have, we need support from each other as women in the industry. So nze wano kulaga sign ya unity, nze wano kulaga abachala that if we can come together and we support each other, it's beautiful. It will be beautiful. Lero lunakura spice man. Lero lunakura spice, so ngenda ddo mulekera entertaining abantu. Asalewo kyekigenda ogenda maaso ku lunaku lwe. I'll let her decide. Wakati wa ekyogenda kibuza mukyala Spice eyakoze EP njagala mumbuuze ku byenyiza okuddamu nga mbimanyi.
Abantu bangi baje balowooza kwe tokwagalana na Spice Diana era besaala zino bakwewunya
kasande wano kati ndi wano
Enkolagana ne Spice eri etya?
Wanje?
Enkolagana ne Spice eri etya?
Mu supporting waba neetaaze and supporting wemba mwetaaze chovola bana kati ndi wano. As business women in the same business, zenganze njagala tubenga fena tukwatagana because at the end of the day abasajja bali ku divide and rule ey'abakyala basobola otufuga. So feka bamanyi power yaffe gye tulina bwe tuba tukwataganye kati nze ekyo nga bwenkula ngenda nkitegeera. That's why I'm a feminist. Abakyala we tukungana tusobola okukola ebintu bingi ate n'abaami bakimanyi kyobola baagala nnyo tubenga tuli ku divide and rule.
Emabega kwawo twali tuwulirako nti sheebaholic erwanagana ne team Spice Diana mwabimalawo?
Mbuuzaako nti nga tusanyuse nnyo okulaba ng'ozze kirungi nnyo nti mukwatagana tonoonya bibi ebirala byonna sibimanyi nzize wano supporting a Spice. Have a beautiful evening.
Like this is an event interview, so
yeah. What's up? Ati goyagala biri negative chali wange. Oyagala biri negative kati vayo abagala positive babuze. Ama oyagala chi?
Like what's the moment that you're really waiting for, like on tonight?
I don't know what's on program, But to be honest, I just came with my team and my people and my girls to just enjoy Spice's night, just enjoy the vibes. So for me, I'm here for the positive vibes. I'm here to enjoy success of my other female musician. I'm here to support her genuinely. So yeah, let's just spread love. I'm here to spread love and light and support. So
you as an artist, how big is an EP listeners party to an artist?
I mean, it's a big deal. For you, you might see this. I just came here. It just took me 3 hours to get ready, but I don't know. It might have taken her 3 months to get ready for this. So abantu abalabako akantu katono nnyo naye abataddemu time ne ssente na buli because nange ndi muyimbi mbimanyi. So it means a lot that we support each other so that effort zaffe tetuwulira ng'ezigenda bugenzi nga abantu tebazinotusinze oba abayimbi bannaffe tebazinotusinze. So I'm here to show her that I see you, I notice your effort in the industry, I support you, I'm here when you need me, and I would want the same in return. That's it.
All right. You're one of these big feminists in Uganda that are positivity to the ladies. Do we see you and Spice doing a collaboration anytime soon?
I mean, I didn't know that I'm going to be here tonight, but I'm here.
Okay.
I don't know what the future is holding for me, but I'm excited for whatever God would want me to be part of, because I know one thing, everything happens for a reason. So tonight just happened, tomorrow will happen, and if that day happens, it will happen.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's let you go, and thanks for looking gorgeous. Enjoy your night.
Thank you.